Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can backup our emails from Gmail account. I will show the perfect method. So let me start the video. So this is for window, but you can follow the same process if you are using the mobile phone. Okay, so let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google account. You need to just log in with your Google. Just log in with your Google. Okay, once you log your account, Gmail account, go here in your profile photo and go to the manage your Google accounts. So here you can see your Google accounts, and we need to go in data and privacy because we need to download emails. Okay, so here you can see the all data. Come to the scroll down, and here the Google dashboard, you can see the option called download your data, and here is takeout. You can also go to the Google takeout from your browser. Okay, just go to Google takeout. It will be take you on the Google takeout. Okay, but you need to log in first. Now here you can see the all data like access logging activities, like your all accounts which is logged with your Google accounts. This is alerts and some assignment. This is a blogger. If you have blog post with the same email ID, you can download from here. First you need to deselect all. Okay, if you want to download only emails, come here and find that. Let me check the mail. Okay, message and attachment in your Gmail account in mbox format. User setting in your former user setting from the Gmail account is JSON format. Okay, so here multiple format you can select. You can select your format. Okay, what you want. So this is email message in this format. You can see this format, and this is a user setting in this format. Okay, so emails will be in this format and your user setting will be this format. Okay, now you can select that. You can download another data of your Google, like you can download your photos from Google Photos. Here the timeline, YouTube Music, whatever you want. Okay, you need to just select that data from that list. Now come down, select. We have already select that email. Okay, now go to the steps. Here you can also send the download link to your email ID, so you can download from there. You can also add to drive or Dropbox or add to box. You just select that one and export once. Okay, you can also export every month for 1 year, or export 2 months for 6 months, for every year for the month. Okay, so this is the file. You can select the zip file. Okay, the full size. You can make it. The output of the request might be delivered in multiple files. Zip file larger than 2 GB compressed in 60. Okay, so if we have the data more than 2 GB, it will be create separate files. Okay, you can select the maximum size like this. Okay, and now just create export. Now it will be export. Okay, we'll start. Okay, export 1/12 will be start on. Okay, so it is create another export. Okay, so it is request has been sent. Now you need to check your email ID. Okay, and here you will get one email ID. Once this export done, you will get the email. Okay, just open that email. Once you get that email that your export has been done, just open that and you can download the zip file from there. Okay, so that is how you can save emails from your Gmail account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.